Hey, what up YouTube? It's your boy Jay Wash. Welcome back to Jay Wash TV. This is going to be the best packaging I ever got on this channel. Let's go. Before we start this video, I want to give a big shout out to Brandon Parker for making this happen right here. Second of all, I want to give a big shout out to everyone who purchased my merch already. Thank you so much. Like, everybody was telling me like, yo, it's too early for you to drop your merch, no one's gonna buy. But there's so many people who bought this merch, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you, thank you. You will be automatically entered in a support giveaway from me. So I want to give back to the people. I want to get back to the people who bought my merch, man. I am going to be doing a $200 limit, $200 flat. That's it. That's all we're going to is $200 flat to one of the winners. I will end up going live on that right there. And I just want to say thank you. Now, if you have not entered yet, you still have time. I have talked to Brandon. Pre-orders were supposed to stop Monday, but since I just got this in today, it's Wednesday, so I'm going to let it continue until next Wednesday. So you have more time if you want to cop this merch and support this channel. Every dime I make from this merch right here is coming right back to this channel. So if you support me, if you rock with me or anything like that, cop this merch. And third, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell so you know when I drop one of these bangers, man. And let's get straight into it. So here we go. I think this is a few shirts, one for me and one for Holly. It's the let's see. Are y'all ready? Let's go. I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit though. Oh, good shipping, good shipping. So you got a package and then another package. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick before I start talking. I was going to use a knife, but I didn't want to cut nothing. Alright, here we go. And here we go, y'all. Ziploc bag, and there is the YouTube logo. So he put it in a Ziploc bag. Alright, so there is two of them. There is a medium. Oh, so he gave me an extra shirt, an extra black shirt. So I'll let you know what this is made out of. And then you have one for me and one for Holly. So let me tell y'all about this real quick before everybody start asking where to order from. I could not figure out how to set up a site, so I didn't end up doing it. So right now I am taking orders from... It's from me and Holly is the only ones that's putting work into this ordering. So Holly will be writing everybody's name down and address, and then we're going to be shipping it off once orders are closed and they were made. So if you want one of these shirts, man, go ahead and hit me up down below in the comment section below, or IG. I'll post my IG at the bottom of this video right here. I take PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo. Let me know down in the comment section below if you got in that, if you want to purchase. If not, we can work on something. So, like I said, y'all have until Monday though. I mean Wednesday. Pre-orders close because I've gave everybody a week, but we pushed it off for another week. So that's 8-9 days I've let pre-orders stay open. Like I said, I want to just give everybody a shout out though, who actually already caught my purchase before I even dropped this video right here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And are y'all ready for this, man? Like I said, this is going to be one of the dopest to me for this channel, and let's get to it. So on the front, you have the big old play button for YouTube, and then you have right under it that JWash TV. I'll probably throw some B-roll on this with me in it. This shirt right here is already dope to me, man. Man, he did a bomb ass job on this right here. Kind of came up with the idea himself. Now, he helped me out a lot because I did not know what to put on this shirt. I had multiple things. He kind of subtracted a lot of that stuff, and we end up just going with this on the front. Now, my next merch drop, it's going to be dope. I got so much in mind for that next drop. It's going to be wintertime. Y'all let me know down in the comment section below if y'all want hoodies, long sleeve shirts, or either or. So we can take hoodies and long sleeves, or just long sleeves, or just hoodies. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. I'm coming for the winter time for that. But let's get right back into it. So you have the big old play button, that YouTube logo right there, right underneath, and you got that drip coming off at the bottom of that YouTube. It looks like blood. You can consider it as a blood, but you have that dripping off YouTube logo right there, dripping down to JWash, and then you got JWash right there in that red, and it just hits off of that black. So this can go with a lot of black and red shoes, all black shoes, any shoe that you want that's in that colorway range. And then you have JWash right there, splitting down too. Oh man, this is super dope, and I'm hella excited for this. And on the back, I cannot figure out what I wanted to put on the back, so I just went with my IG. Now, this will be off next time. There will be not an Instagram handler on my next merch. This was kind of an impulse, I guess you could say. I wanted it on there, but then I didn't after a while. But it turned out really good. You have that same thing going on. You have that IG logo with Pretty Boy JWash going on the back. Now, like I said, on my next one, this will not be on there. I got some dope ideas. But if you have any more ideas that you know of what you think that would help out my merch game, please let me know in the comment section below. I am trying to expand my merch game up, and you know, this was just the first drop right here. Now, on the shirt, I do not know if it runs true to size yet. I will let you know by the end of this video. But the shirt is Hanes. So he do get his shirts from Hanes. If you don't know what that is, it's a Walmart brand. You can buy it at Walmart and stuff like that. And it is comfortable, soft. You know what I'm saying? If you had Hanes before, I'm sure everybody didn't have a Hanes shirt, draws, whatever you want to call. But this is 100% cotton. Now, like I said, this turned out super dope. I'm gonna let you guys know how it fits if you need to get a bigger size, smaller size, and stuff like that. That is the 2X right there. I went with a 2X just because I wasn't for sure. Now, here is a size. This is a size medium, so this is a different shirt right here. So this is the same logo, my YouTube logo with JWash going down. This is Sport Company, so this is with 50% cotton, and yeah, so this is 50% cotton. This one right here is 50% cotton right here. This is the size medium for haul. It's the same in the back. You got that IG handler with my name. This is a medium, like I said, and then we have that extra shirt. So I'm sure he just sent out 3 different shirts to let everybody know there's 3 different shirts. This one's going to be 100% cotton, 100% cotton. So this is 100% cotton right here. What size is this? This is a large. So here is a large. These are all 3 different shirts. You got Port, you got Hanes, and you got District. So this is a District tee right here. You got Port right here, and then you have Hanes. So I'm sure he just sent, I don't know why he sent all these, but we're going to figure it out together and see which one we're going to put all these, what my merch is going to go on. But there you have it, man. This is my first merch drop. I need everybody right here to, if you're rocking with me right now, if you are rocking with me, or if you see this video later on and you're now joining the JWash gang, man, please let's blow this out the water. Like, if you support me, let's get 50 plus likes on this video right here. And if you want to cop a merch, man, all my stuff will be linked at the bottom. Hit me up on IG. You can hit me up on here. It'll just take me more time to see my YouTube comments instead of my IG Messenger. But this is really just supporting the channel. And I've grown so much. I am about to hit 3K. And like I said before in most of my videos, man, I started this year of 2020 in January, and I had 200 subscribers, and we're sitting at August, and I have almost 3K. We're growing at a decent pace, and I appreciate everyone who's been supporting this channel. It's done so much to me, man. It just makes me motivated to keep dropping videos to you guys, and it made me motivated to drop some merch. So like I said, merch will get better. Don't doubt me. Just check me out. Just hit the notification bell, man. You'll know what I'm talking about when I drop that merch. But appreciate you guys who already copped it, man. If you ain't copped it, go cop you a shirt right now. Pre-orders are open until Wednesday of next week. So it's $25 for the t-shirt, and it's $6 for me to ship it. So $31 altogether. It is what it is. Like $25 for this shirt right here, and then $6 extra for me to ship. I ship everywhere. You know what I'm saying? If you in Africa, I'm shipping it to Africa for $6. I'll pay the rest. So y'all go ahead and cop some merch and support the channel, man. And it's doing so good so far. Oh, like I said before in the videos, man, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Like this video. Let's blow this past 50 likes. I'm just super stoked, man. It's super stoked to start your own merch, man. I got my own merch, man. So I'm about to hit y'all with an own body, and then I'm in this video. So thank you so much. Remember, 50 likes. Go cop my merch, man. Rock my merch, man. Rock it, rock it, rock it, man. And it's your boy Jay Wash, man. We gone. And make sure you get a true to size, because it fits true to size, man. Thank you so much to everybody who already copped this. Go copy your J Wash TV. It's clean to me, boy. Let's run it.